Milestone Gold Mastercard Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They think that secured or subprime credit cards like the Milestone Gold Mastercard are just temporary tools with limited value. But the surprising truth is that, in 2025, this card has evolved into a powerful credit-building solution for many Americans. If you're trying to rebuild your credit or establish a solid financial foundation, understanding the features, benefits, and drawbacks of the Milestone Gold Mastercard is crucial. Let's dive deep and see if it's worth it or better to leave it behind. First, what is the Milestone Gold Mastercard? It's a credit card designed for individuals with less than perfect credit, or those who are rebuilding after financial setbacks. Unlike traditional credit cards that require high credit scores or extensive credit history, the Milestone Gold Mastercard offers approval opportunities for people with poor or limited credit, making it an entry point for financial recovery. It's an unsecured card, meaning you don't need a security deposit to open an account, unlike some other starter credit cards. Now, let's look at the key features that make this card stand out in 2025. 1. Approval flexibility The Milestone Gold Mastercard has a higher approval rate for those with low credit scores. Most people with credit scores as low as 500 can qualify. The card considers more than just your FICO score. It also evaluates factors like income, employment history, and past account behavior. This flexibility allows people who might have been denied by traditional banks to gain access to a line of credit. 2. Credit reporting One of the most valuable aspects of the Milestone Gold Mastercard is that it reports your payment history to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Timely payments contribute positively to your credit score, while missed payments will negatively affect it. For anyone trying to build or rebuild credit, consistent on-time payments can create a noticeable improvement over time. Credit limits In 2025, Milestone Gold Mastercard typically offers credit limits ranging from $300 to $1,000 at approval, depending on creditworthiness and income. While this is modest compared to traditional credit cards, it's enough to demonstrate responsible usage. Experts recommend keeping utilization below 30% of your credit limit, which is fully achievable with these limits. 4. Fees and interest rates Now, here's where most people get caught off guard. The Milestone Gold Mastercard comes with an annual fee, which can range from $75 to $99, depending on your approval and state regulations. Additionally, the APR can be relatively high, often between 24% and 29%. This means carrying a balance month-to-month can become costly, so the card is best used for building credit, not for financing large purchases. 5. Additional perks Unlike many subprime credit cards, Milestone Gold Mastercard offers fraud protection, access to Mastercard ID theft protection services, and zero liability for unauthorized transactions. These features add security and peace of mind for cardholders, which is especially valuable for those managing credit for the first time or rebuilding. 6. Mobile and online management The card integrates with an online portal and mobile app, allowing you to monitor balances, payments, and transactions. Some cardholders also benefit from budgeting tools that track spending and help maintain responsible credit behavior. In 2025, digital management is expected, and Milestone meets the standard. Let's examine how to use the Milestone Gold Mastercard effectively to build credit. Make small, consistent purchases each month. Even spending $50 or $100 and paying it off in full can demonstrate responsible credit behavior. Pay on time. Every time payment history accounts for 35% of your FICO score, so late or missed payments can hurt more than help. Keep your credit utilization low. Utilization refers to the percentage of your credit limit you are using. Experts recommend under 30%, ideally below 10%, to maximize score improvement. Avoid carrying balances unless necessary, due to high APR. Using the card as a revolving credit facility can result in high interest charges. Monitor your credit reports regularly. Milestone allows you to check updates, but it's wise to also track your credit score through free services to see progress over time. Now, let's review the pros and cons of the Milestone Gold Mastercard. Pros Higher approval odds for low credit scores. Reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. No security deposit required. Includes fraud protection and zero liability features. Helps establish or rebuild credit effectively when used responsibly. Cons. Annual fees ranging from $75 to $99. High APRA, which can be a burden if balances are carried. Modest credit limits may not support larger purchases. Limited rewards or cashback programs compared to mainstream credit cards. Some users may find the approval process slow or require multiple attempts. Real-world example. Consider Jane, a 32-year-old with a credit score of 520 due to past financial difficulties. She was denied a standard credit card but was approved for Milestone Gold MasterCard. By using the card for small monthly expenses, paying her bill on time, and keeping utilization under 30%, she improved her credit score by 80 points in 12 months. She was then able to qualify for a mid-tier rewards credit card with a higher credit limit and lower APRA. This example highlights how Milestone can act as a stepping stone rather than a permanent solution. Key strategies to maximize benefits in 2025. 1. Treat the card as a credit-building tool, not a spending card. 2. Automate payments to avoid missed due dates. 3. Avoid impulse purchases that exceed your budget. 4. Reapply or upgrade only after your credit improves, to secure cards with better rewards and lower fees. 5. Leverage Milestone's mobile app to track spending and ensure on-time payments. Now, let's address who should consider the Milestone Gold MasterCard. Individuals with poor or limited credit history who struggle to get approved elsewhere. People committed to rebuilding their credit over the next 12-24 months. Those who understand the importance of paying balances in full to avoid high interest charges. Users who value security features like fraud protection and ID theft alerts. Conversely, if you already have a healthy credit score above 650, there are likely better options with lower fees, higher rewards, and lower APRA. In those cases, Milestone may be unnecessary and costly. Conclusion. The Milestone Gold MasterCard in 2025 is a specialized tool designed to help people rebuild credit. While it comes with fees and higher interest rates, its advantages lie in accessibility, credit reporting, and security features. When used responsibly, it can improve credit scores over time, opening doors to better financial products in the future. So, is it worth it or leave it? If your goal is to rebuild credit and you can manage payment responsibly, it's definitely worth it. If you already have good credit or are prone to carrying balances and incurring fees, it may be better to leave it and seek a card with lower costs and more rewards. Understanding your financial situation, goals, and discipline level is key to making the right choice. Milestone Gold MasterCard isn't just a card. It's a stepping stone toward better financial health. Used wisely, it can be the bridge between subprime credit and premium opportunities, helping you regain control of your financial future in 2025.